Hello everybody, this is Hashir. Welcome to part 6 of GUI programming with Python and tkinter and part 2 of inventory manager, which is really simple one without using any database. We continue to create our widgets, and let's create the buttons now, and we call them, for example, this one be button add equal tkinter dot button, and it will be self dot button frame. Do we have button frame? I forgot. Yes, we have button frame. And text equal add and command equal the method which is here, add item. So self dot add item, and we add dot pack side equal left. Okay, yes, side equal left. Now we have it here. Actually, it's not exactly where I want. I'm thinking if I should have something like another frame, but I will see. Maybe later on, instead of pack, we are going to use other methods that I will tell you later. And another one is what was that? Add item, then for example bottom remove equal tkinter dot button, and where is going to be self dot bottom frame, and text equal remove, and command equal let's go down here, command equal self dot remove item. All right, and we just pack it, remove button remove dot pack and side equal left. How it's look. All right, not bad. I think in my original program I had 3 frame, but anyway, what is next? Next one is save item, then bottom save, again tkinter dot button self dot bottom frame, and text equal save, and command equal self dot save item, bottom save dot pack side equal left. What is next? List item. So bottom list equal tkinter dot button on self dot bottom frame, text equal of course list, and command equal self dot list item and b list dot pack on side equal, what is this, side equal left. What we got here, one be safe dot pack. We don't have it. Oh yeah, be safe dot pack. Why be safe dot pack self dot save dot item. What was the error? Excuse me. Valid syntax. All right. Again, list of inventory of no list item. Yeah, list items. All right. Self that list items. Okay. What's next? Search, load, and backup. All right. Now, search button search equal again tkinter dot button and self dot bottom frame text equal search and command equal self dot search item and button search dot pack side equal left. Good, not bad. And what was the next? Load backup. Let me just copy here to avoid some typo. Then we say load backup bottom load backup equal tkinter dot button self dot bottom frame text equal short one or load, just load backup. Something like that. And command equal self dot load backup bottom load backup dot pack and of course side will be left. And the last one was save and exit, I think. Where is it? Yeah, load, save and exit. Yes, and here self dot again bottom frame text equal save save something like this exit. Command equal self dot save exit. It should be exactly like saved exit. All right. save exit, and button save exit dot pack, and side equal left. All right, not so bad. We have add button, remove, save list, search, load backup, and save and exit. Look, somehow okay. Somehow okay. So what is next? Now let's try to develop the add item method. It's very simple. We have there, if you remember, we have attributes in our class container, the name and price, quantity, and info. We just pass them here self.name equal what was our entry for item? Self.item entry. So something like this equal self.item entry dot get. And as you know, with get method we are grabbing the entry, the data which entered to entry window, something like that. So, and another one, self.price equal self.price entry, if I'm not mistaken, dot get. Let me check exactly if it's correct. And price label, price entry, yes, and quantity is quan entry, and here we say self dot quan entry, no, quantity, self dot quantity equal self dot quan entry dot get, and the last one is self dot info, I think, self dot info, and it was info entry. Self dot info equal self dot info entry dot get. So take the get method like input in Python core. I said it before, so you can just grab the data and from the user, something like that. And here self dot container dot append all this information as a list. So self dot name, self dot price, self dot quantity, and self dot info, something like that. All right. Let's see if we don't have any typo. Okay, and for sure, for now, let's say after all print self dot container, just to make sure we have everything when we click the add button. For example, say add HDD hard drive, price, I don't know, 700 Norwegian krone, quantity 10, info, maybe the window for info is a little bit small info, we can have like, I don't know, like Western Digital 1 terabyte, something like that. And when we add, we got here all info. And then maybe we can tweak it a little bit. Let me check the window first. Item info, where is it? Info label and info entry, that's a 10. It should be at least 40 because we are going to enter description or information about the item. So now I think it's look more reasonable, something like that. Also search button should be a little bit bigger. There is a search entry, we call it 15. Better. And now for some kind of indicators, let's import WinSound also. Let's import WinSound. And what is it in WinSound? And when we add something like when we press add button, we print it and WinSound will beep. Dot beep. Something like 1500 and very short beep. Something like that. Let's try it one more time. Add item like HDD price now 600. No, just got cheaper. Quantity 20. Info WD 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte and add. Okay, something like that. Now I forgot to show you very fast here. Look, for example, blah 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 blah. All right, and when we add, how we can make these windows to be empty again. So reset the window. After we did everything, we say self dot, for example, item entry dot delete 0 character to the end, from 0 to end. Okay, this command will reset the window. Okay, now you can see again here we just blah 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 da 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 da, and oh, delete. I made a mistake. Delete, typo, delete. Okay, one more time again. And add item window is resetted. Just reset. Okay, then we will do it again for all of our entries. So self.item, self.price entry, self.price entry, delete self.quan entry dot delete and self dot info entry dot delete. All right, and as extra we just put somewhere message, and you see here up there we have also info label, item label, or we have also here info label. We can have we can display some message on info label. Where is it? I can't find it because I don't have my glasses. Actually, I should have my glasses. A long time I didn't use it. I have to start to use my glasses. Info label here. Then let's try to display something there. It says self.info label here. Text and equal name command, and what we call the message will be added to database or something like that, I think. Now again, for example, not just computer, books, or like, for example, chess book, price 200, no quantity, like 30, info like I don't know, Leonard Bardon, beginner chess, or chess for kids, something like that, and we add, and we don't have actually name, and the name is not defined. Oh yes, should be self.name, I think. Let me check where I go wrong. Yes, actually we should have here self.name. Yeah, so it will take the self.name and print it as a text on info label. So let's try one more time. Again, item chess book, price like 200, quantity 30, info chess for kids, and here, yeah, because chess book added to database, something like that. Very simple. Or we can choose to have message box, maybe, but every time the message box show up, we have to close it. And maybe, for example, you are dealing with large number of data entry, for example, you are taking care of inventory. I don't know if it's a really good idea to have message box there, and so just add item and click it, add item, click to close it, something like that. So this is the first method. I think I'm going to stop here. It's kind of long video, and maybe I think about this method a little bit, and in next video I'm going to improve it. For example, find a way if there is a null entry, we just add some simple if statements, or try to add try except blocks. I'm not sure. I will try to improve it a little bit. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.